Hello, little spellers! RB the Bee is back with more buzzing fun, courtesy of Spell With Me. Today, we're going to the sky for a sparkly firework-filled bonfire night. Are you ready to see rockets zoom, the sky light up, and a magical night unfold? Let's go! Bonfire night is full of fun things that go whoosh and bang. Can you guess what flies up in the air, sparkles, and goes pop? A firework! Awesome job! Now, let's learn some cool words together. Are you ready, kids? Let's go! Our first word is rocket. Rockets go whoosh up into the sky. Let's spell it together.
Ra, a, ka, e, t.
Rocket! Good job, guys! Look up! What do you see? Whoa, it's the big wide sky. Ready to spell it? Here we go!
S, k, ya.
Sky! Wahoo! You've got this, my bonfire-loving friends! Are you ready for our final word of the video? It's a magical night when everything is bright and fireworks shine with delight. Let's spell night together.
Na, e, ka, t.
Night! Wow, you've done an amazing job today. Go you! Great job, little spellers. We learned about rockets, the sky, and a twinkly night. Keep buzzing, keep spelling, and I'll see you soon for more buzzing fun. Make sure you subscribe.
Thanks for watching Spell With Me. The fun doesn't stop here. Check out our website www.spellwithme.com for lots of exciting, fun activities in our activity hive. We have fun learning worksheets, drawing activities, and even some special video courses. Also, make sure to subscribe to RB's YouTube channel for fun, free, exciting videos every week. Buzz you later!